Last video I remade this 3D scene from Mr. Beast, and today we'll be recreating this same 3D effects from Airrack. And so because I don't want to go through Blender, I'm just going to cut the parts that I need, like these houses, and then putting them in CapCut. So at the time of making this video, I actually didn't press record, so I'm just going to tell you guys what I already did. I already added 3 images to this and scaled them. So what's left for me to do is to add some motion, zoom and text to it. So to add motion to our image, what we're going to do is just click on animation, and then I selected this one right there, and then I added it, and then I reduced the speed to like 0.4, and then I actually cut it to this part. You know, I want that bounce in animation from there, so I added that part. This is how it looks like. So now we need to add some motion for it to be moving, so I went to effect and then search for play, and then you click on the play pendulum, I think, yeah, play pendulum, and then I just drag it and drop. Then I reduce the twist, the strength and the speed, and then reduce sharpen to 0. So let's play it. Yeah, that's good. Now to recreate this zoom effect, we're just going to go to our timeline and then reduce it to the parts that I want. So I just cut out some parts, and then I added some keyframe animation to it. You know, those zoom in animation. I was just editing some keyframes, and then this was how the zoom in looks like. Yeah, it looks okay, but it looks static. And then I went ahead to just, you know, ease in some animation to make it look smoother. And this was how the animation looked like. Alright, so to add the text, I just went into my text bar and then added the text, and I went down to effects, and I was just basically selecting through different effects I could find. Then I finally landed at one, and this was it. I added some animation also, and I also wanted to make it shiny. So in order to do that, I just tweak out some settings. I was able to achieve that, and it looks like this. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, just like hit the sub button, like right now, bro.